Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Remote.co, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with Remote.co, start by visiting their website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password to protect your account. Once you've registered, log in to your new account. Explore the platform's layout and features. Navigate to the investment section to view available opportunities. Filter opportunities based on your interests and risk tolerance. Click on each opportunity to read detailed descriptions. Take note of key metrics such as expected returns and duration. Select an investment that aligns with your goals. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the investment terms and conditions carefully. Confirm your investment by clicking the appropriate button. After confirming, monitor your investments through your dashboard. Set up alerts or notifications to stay updated on performance. Regularly check your portfolio and adjust as necessary. Utilize the resources provided on the platform for tips and guidance. Consider joining discussions in the community forum for insights. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your investments. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to optimize returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.